How's it, guys? It's Francois here. I'm going to show you how to buy some Bitcoin on Luno with two different methods. If you haven't got a Luno account yet, please follow the link in the description of this video and sign up using that link. Okay, so what you can see on the screen is the Luno app, and it asks you when you first open, how much Bitcoin do you want to buy? They've got their options for $100 or $1,000. You're going to push the other button and then put in your own amount. In this case, $250, because that's how much we want to buy. Then push the buy button. Then it's going to ask you how would you like to pay, and we're going to pay in Rand, so you're going to click on the ZAR wallet. Then it's going to confirm your amount, $250 ZAR, and it's going to be a once-off amount, so you push the next button. The screen that follows is the confirmation page, where they show you the price of Bitcoin, your service charge of 2%, how much you're going to spend, and how much Bitcoin you're going to receive for the money. So you need to just push the confirm button, and then next you put in your Luno secret PIN to confirm the transaction. And that's it. You just bought Bitcoin. It was a success, and you can push the done button now to complete everything. It's that simple. The second way we're going to buy Bitcoin is a little bit more complicated, but the fees are much cheaper. We're going to switch the app to the exchange view. So instead of using the instant buy on the home page of the app where you pay 2% fee, the exchange view is where you trade on the exchange, and instead of paying 2%, you pay 0.1%. So click on the menu in the top right and choose exchange. Once the exchange view opens in the app, you'll see everything looks quite a lot different. There's a menu at the top where it has charts, order book, trades, etc. And at the bottom there's a buy and a sell button. So you basically going to push the buy button because we're going to buy $250 worth of Bitcoin. Once you push the buy button, it will take you to the orders page where you can make a buy or a sell order. You can actually switch between the two at the top. And then there's different kinds of orders like limit, market order, etc. But we're just doing limit for now. Where it says price in ZAR, that's where the price of Bitcoin is going to be. And underneath that it says BTC. So you're going to want to change the BTC to ZAR because we're going to buy Bitcoin with Rand. And then in the amount, we're going to type in the amount of 250 because we're buying $250 worth. And where it says ask in red, you're just going to push that once, and that'll take the current best price for Bitcoin and put that into your price field. And then you can see underneath that, there's a fee of 0.1%. That's what you're going to be charged for this trade. Once you're ready, you push the buy BTC button and again put in your secret PIN for the Luno app. And that's it. You're done again. You've just bought Bitcoin on the exchange. So now don't forget that you can choose between the exchange view or the standard view by just going to the menu on the top right and choosing either standard or exchange so that you can switch between the different views on the Luno app. So I hope this video helps you see the difference between buying with the instant buy at 2% fee versus buying on the exchange with a 0.1% fee. And as you know, all these fees add up, and if you are buying for large amounts, that 2% is really going to eat into your profits. Anyway, cheers.